Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on your Windows machine. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, this chip right here is a hardware chip that has to be enabled on your computer, as you may know. So on the official Microsoft website, there are two methods to do that. The main method is to do it through your BIOS. Now you might have either Intel or AMD chips. In case of neither, I'm going to leave a video in the description down below that is official from Microsoft themselves that they will help you step by step in case of each one that you might have. But for now, I will show you how to check if your TPM is working or not. So to do that, you're going to search for run, and then from here, you're going to search for tpm.msc. So click on OK, and then if you see this, then it says that TPM is ready for use and it's on the correct version. But if you get this message instead, then that means that you have to enable TPM. And so click on the first link in the description and you will find the video that will direct you for that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.